You don't would have thought I get one chill day. My first day back in London. Today's been busy. As you can see, this is another vlog, same day. Same day. And I'm going to, well, we're going to try and catch the sunset with a very, very, very well-known, absolutely sick videographer by the name of Chudo the Boss. Anyway, I'm going to put his Instagram above. He's literally a boss. He does incredible cinematics, photos, etc. The list goes on. That's who we're meeting with now. So we've got the MOT done, new front tyre, that big huge plate had to come off. I've gone back to Mr. Incognito, and now we are going to get some cool footage. Sun is setting. It's literally a race against the sun. You need to get there before that sun goes down. So yeah, this shall be interesting. These roads really are slippery. Jeez. Guys, this is honestly, these roads are no fun. I mean, trying to find the most dry spot to go through on these patches, and it's just a mission. I mean, can't avoid it. We're not making that, I know that for sure. Wait, is this coming moving forward? I was about to say. Ah, maybe we will make it. Well, we have to, because I ain't stopping. We made it. Lovely job done. Damn man, these homes. Oh, I need to get a car though so I can listen to music while I'm riding. Finally, Faruko started dropping his vids for his album that came out last year, so I need to be busting out to that. If you don't know who Faruko is, then you need to get to know reggaeton vibes. What are you doing? Right, I hope we're still filming. I don't know what that car was doing. Oh, we're almost there. Right, we'll get there in good time. Main thing is to get there safely, so we shall do that. Anyway guys, MOT is done, all the good stuff done. Like, it's weird, since I've had this new tyre on, it actually does feel different. Like, you can notice it. Damn it, I cannot talk properly. Oh, well done guys. There we go. Helmet adjustment, that's all. Minor. We here. We made it. We are safe and sound so far. So guys, this is Auto Arena. Oh, man, I should have cut the record off when I was doing all this stuff. But anyway, Auto Arena. And this is all the car parks. This is a new car park they've built. Absolutely huge. I would like to get up there and do some shots, I'll tell you that. This looks very slippery. Look at that. Yeah, my cheeks hurt. Oh, traffic lights. Why? Some countries don't even have traffic lights. They just, people know how to drive. More or less. That sun is dropping. Come on, come on, come on. Technically, I can't even say that. Yeah! No way! Yeah! Bro! That time was sick! Where we going, bro? That one there?
Let's ride the river, do you know where it is?
Yeah?
Yeah? I'll follow you.
Yo, what a madness! This is jokes. Perfect timing. That bike is loud, man. Oh my days. Jeez, we're here. Oh boy. This is the one, innit?
This is good, yeah, this is sick.
Bro. Bro, I was racing against the sun to get here.
Yo, it's literally perfect. What I need you to do, I need you to ride from there.
Yep.
And then I'm gonna get like the drone shot. So let me set up first.
Yeah, do what you gotta do, my bro. How you been, man? How's the leg?
Bro, it's good, bro.
You looking good, bro. Let's jump in there.
I'm fucking dying, bro.
That is so good, bro. I'm happy to see that, man.
Right here with 10K.
Bro, you got all weight and everything in the bag, bro.
I was doing wheelies with
Are you serious? You're a G, bro.
good, bro.
I just got a new tire, bro. Yeah. I am happy, bro. It feels so different now.
More safer, innit?
Bro, the other one, I could feel I'll just run wide and it wouldn't get rid of the water off the tyres. So, like, the bike slipped a couple times.
Yeah, bro.
Now, whew. Yeah, bro. It needs to clean, though. Yeah, boy.
That was like perfect timing.
That, bro.
I was like, hey, yo.
I heard the noise and I was like, why do I recognise this? I look around and see, I'm like, yo. That timing's immaculate.
Oh, we've got like...
I don't even care. Get anything. My guy.
What I want you to do, yeah?
Yep.
We're gonna ride from there.
Yep.
Yeah, you're gonna ride and then try to come through with the bike here. Yeah?
Yep. Yep. Yep.
Right in the middle right here.
Okay. Oh, you want me to go from that and stop there, yeah?
Yeah, and then stop right here.
Cool.
That's the intro.
Yep.
It's gonna be like, I'm gonna get a shot of you of the drone.
So we got the drone, the full hookup, the main man himself there.
Hold on, I need to make a video.
He's gonna get some sick cinematics. He already got one shot, right? And I looked at it and it looks amazing. So I might as well put this in the video for you guys. But I'm riding from down there all the way to here. He's gonna film it. And yeah, obviously I'm in all red, matching the back, which is all red as well. Slight little flex, nothing too crazy. He's on the camera there again. Got my new helmet. So yeah, we're gonna have some fun. And if you guys see his work, like I said, I'm gonna put his Instagram in the bio. It's also gonna be on screen somewhere here. So his work is amazing. So you know, if you want some proper quality cinema stuff done, right? If you're gonna pay someone, you pay this guy to do it. So let's go again. Yeah.
That's what I said. When you turn on the bike, the tires are so tall, it just drops in. So, bro, turning it is scary.
Yeah, it does, yeah?
There people don't understand, turning is scary.
It's literally,
Hey,
bro,
man.
it's so fucking scary, bro. It literally like, yeah, because it feels low like that, but when you turn, then you start feeling it.
Yeah, and it just drops in. Like, it's
Yeah.
frightening how fast it corners and just drops in.
Bro, this is absolutely amazing, I'm not gonna lie.
Is that certified bike, yeah?
Yeah, so
From the stuntman himself.
Bro, I'm feeling mad rush, but I do wheelies, but just that little rush was totally different, bro. It's like, this bike is like fucking...
That's sick, man. I'm glad you like it, man. Well, you gotta get one. You gotta get like the SP or whatever, man.
Bro, I need to get the SP, I need to get that.
Shit, like that masterpiece. So I appreciate that, man. So guys, this is my guy Tuna. You gotta check him out on the gram. We'll put him up in there. Link somewhere here. Obviously that's the logo. But yeah, his bike is behind that bush there. He just did a crazy cinematic for my bike all there.
Quick with it.
So yeah, so and his turnaround time is quick, so you guys already know who you need to book to do your stuff, but the link will be on screen somewhere here. But look at that gorgeous view. We got my gorgeous bike right here. We've got his bike there, but I'm not gonna get the plate in. And yeah, so when he came and did that, he called me. I was like, let's link up, get a vid. So I was like, well, why not? So gotta show love. Had to let him ride the bike as well, which he loves. So we'll drop that in the vid too. What a great shoot. Always great linking up with people, like-minded individuals, positive, hard-working people. Absolutely love it. Oh wow, that tint is very dark for that time. I can't ride with that down. Damn. Anyway, we're done. That sounds so good. Ah, hell no. My bike was wiggling up the back. Like my traction just kicked in so hard. This bike has got too much damn power. Oh man, what a great day. All this content's for you guys. I wanted to get more content and this is perfect. Yeah, this is perfect. I don't think YouTube even likes that. That is so good. Oh man. That bike is an asbo. It sounds so good. Oh, it's cold though. It's definitely time to get back in. Definitely that time. That way rather than left.
Yeah, I'm gonna go.
You can not in it.
Yeah.
Right safe, my bro. Right, what we got up here? Can't see nothing. Oh, it's cold. Oh, this is dead. You know what? them gaps. Make them gaps. Oh, it's cold. You guys, I think that's going to be it for the night, you know. I'm freezing. It is freezing. Forget that. It's bad out there. Oh, it's so cold. This bike really so easily. It's not even funny. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I'm gonna cut it off there, or here, sorry. And yeah, subscribe, share, like. We'll try and get some more content out for you guys soon. Peace.